So this is a block wig by ISEE.
What is amazing is that this new innovation allows you to seamlessly switch up your looks from this to this and even switch it up to a frontal like this. So you can get multiple hairstyles while spending less. So now let's get right into it.
So to get started with this video, we are working with ISEE hair. This is the block by ISEE. So this is what it looks like, guys. This is designed by ISEE. Let's build a wig with block wig. This is what comes in the box. You have the block RB, you have the block R, and you have the block R, and then you have these two tabs right here. I like how it's like a puzzle. So basically you have blocks in the package as well. So this is your replacement and your base. This is your replacement and replacement. So with this two, you can easily switch out the look of your wig. You can replace your lace frontal. You can change it from a closure to a frontal. I mean, the possibilities with this are endless. First one I'm going to open. Let's start from the least and then we'll work our way to the most. This right here, let me see what's in here. So in here we have replacement adjustable straps as well, and then you also have a wig cap. So next up, let's see what's in here. So you also have like a hair cap as well. Next up, let's open this one. In the block R, we have this. This is going to be a replacement frontal or closure, I'm not sure, but I'm going to open this up. It comes wrap build a wig with block. It comes packaged like this, which is amazing. Let's see what we are working with. Okay, so this one is a lace front, right? This is a lace front and it's a replacement lace front.
So this is what the construction of the replaceable frontal looks like. It did come pre-bleached and pre-plucked as well. You can see the zipper as well as the hook and eye as well on both sides of the unit. It did come pre-bleached, so you can see that it matches the skin. It is HD lace as well.
So if you want to change from a closure lace to a full lace wig, you can easily switch that out right here, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. Next up, I'm going to open up this second block R and show you what we have up. Let's opening something else that. Oh, okay. So this is a closure, and I like that it is wide enough.
So this is a skin lace closure, guys, and this is going to give you the most realistic scalp look. Look at how this looks like. The hairs are coming out of my scalp. It looks so real. It does come pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-styled as well. You do have the space for elastic band that you can put or remove. You also have detachable combs as well, and this hook to help secure onto the base of the wig. This is the zipper. Look at how smooth and seamless it is.
Straight right into the meat of this video, which is why we're here. This is the RB block. This is the main block. So I'm going to open this. This right here is a full wig, and it has both the replacement, which is going to be the closure, and the base, which is going to be the back of the wig that you can switch out. This is what the replacement and base full wig looks like. I'm going to open this up. So this is what the construction is like.
So I'm going to quickly show you what the construction of this block wig looks like. Now it did come pre-cut, as you guys can see, as well as pre-bleached and pre-styled. It is soft, silky and flowy at the same time. We can see the cap construction on the lace. This is a 7x5 closure, so it's wide enough. It did come with combs and detachable elastic band, and this is for the replaceable closure. Now at the back of the wig, this is where the base area is. You do have an elastic band as well to help give that security. So you have elastic band at the base and also an elastic band at the replaceable top, which is a closure. It also comes with a detachable comb at the back, so you can pretty much construct your wig yourself. Now this wig cap is very breathable, is very elastic, and is comfortable at the same time. Now this is where the magic is. This is the zipper, guys. It is so thin, it is so seamless, and it's easy to install. You can just open up the hook and eye, so easy, and then grab onto the string and unzip this wig and you're done. You can put this back by clipping onto the hook and eye and then dragging that string to zip it back and to secure both the base and the replaceable top. I'm just showing you how seamless this wig is and how seamless that zipper is.
So I'm gonna quickly put on the first wig. Put this on. Oh, this is that flip. Let me quickly style this and get this looking right, and I'll be back. So this is what the first wig looks like. This one has highlights. It is a straight wig. You can curl this however you want to curl it. You do have a lot of parting space. This is what it looks like. The ear tabs are comfortable again because you do get that C-shaped wig over here. The C-shaped cut, so that way the back of your ears are comfortable. You do get a lot of parting space, so you can style it however you want. The side part, and it will still look gorgeous, like so. But I'm gonna leave it as is in a center part. Again, this is a glueless wig. I didn't glue this down. I just used a little bit of melting spray. That way it will help the lace melt into my skin. And this is what we are looking like. So this is the first wig. I'm gonna quickly switch over to another wig. I'm gonna change out the replacement closure, show you guys how easy it is to switch up your look.
So I'm gonna show you guys how you can quickly switch up your look and change up your wig in a matter of seconds. Now I'm gonna be switching it up to this skin lace closure, guys. It is so easy. All you need to do is to unhook the hook and eye and hold on to that string and drag open that zipper. It is so easy. It takes only seconds. This is the base of the wig. This is what we're going to be attaching the frontals and closures onto. This is what it looks like. The construction is on point, and this is the replaceable highlight streak closure. I'm going to keep that aside. All you need to do is to hook the hook and eye together and then drag the zipper, and look at how smooth that is. It does not snag onto the hair, and then hook the hook and eye. You do have the hook and eye on both sides of the wig. So yeah, that easy.
So I went ahead to switch up the wig, and this is their 9x6 skin lace. There are no braids, and with this you have that natural skin like look. You guys can see that they already added this lace in here that gives off that natural skin like look. Let me quickly put this on. I'm gonna go ahead to take the extra, let me put this on, and this basically is build a wig. You can build your wig however you want it. So let me put this on. So this is what the 9x6 skin lace looks like. You guys can see over here that this literally is giving skin. There are single knots. Let me open this up so you guys can see. It is giving skin. Oh my goodness. Is giving skin, it is giving scalp. You have the parting space is wide. This is what it looks like straight out of the box. Because of shipping, I'm seeing a little bit of curl pattern. I'm going to straighten this up and then style this hair in a minute. This right here is the second wig. This is an all black wig. I just changed the replacement tab, the replacement section to this one. This one is their 9x6 skin lace, and this is what it looks like. You have a lot of parting space. You can style this in a side part. Because of the skin lace, it's gonna look like it is your actual skin. You don't need to bleach it out. You don't need to do any customization. This is exactly how it comes in the box. Now, I did not lay this down. As you guys can see, I only use my melting spray to help melt the lace onto my skin, and this is what it looks like. Again, what the skin lace looks like. I'm gonna do a side-by-side comparison to the regular lace so you guys could further understand what this is and the difference that it makes when it comes to installing your hair. So now let's switch over to the third wig, and we have it right here. So if you want to go from an everyday wear and go, easy to install, easy to wear closure wig like this one to a frontal wig, so that way you can get like that frontal look and style it however you want to style it. You have that option using this replacement unit right here.
Again, for the frontal, I want to be very detailed. The same process: unhook the hook and eye, unzip the zipper, hook the hook and eye back again, and zip the zipper back, and we have a new wig, guys.
So I have my frontal wig right here that we just replaced. I'm gonna go ahead to install this. I'm gonna take that elastic band and then hook it on to the side right here. So I have my elastic band attached. I'm gonna go ahead to install this unit. You do have a lot of, oh wow, it's literally covering my ears, guys. So it's gonna fit every hair size and shape, but I'm gonna go ahead to cut off the excess lace. Look at how thin this lace is. Like, look at that, and look at that. It is glueless. It is not going anywhere. It is firm, it is secure. The only issues I'm gonna have is this part lifting up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna like use a little bit of glue just to hold this down a little bit. Lastly, this is the lace front unit. The lace is so thin, it is invincible, and it is HD. I did not glue this down like I said previously, and it is literally melting to my skin. But this is what you get straight out of the box. You do have a lot of parting space. Again, you can style this however you want to style it, half up, half down here. And this is a frontal wig, so you can customize this unit however you want to style it and build your wig using the Block Wig by ISEE. And these are all the same wig. It is ridiculous how far we've come in this wig game, but yeah.
So let's do a little bit of a recap. We went from this to this and this and this, all using the Block Wig by ISEE, and it's as easy as just unzipping and zipping back the replacement top. Guys, what do you think about this new innovation by ISEE? Let me know down in the comment section. I will leave all the links in the description box. Be sure to use it, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much, ISEE Hair, for sending this gorgeous innovation and for creating this piece. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.